Hello students. Today, we read and learn the meanings of difficult words and phrases of page number 18. The worksheet is also handed over to you that is based on this page. So listen and read the text with all ears. Now we start reading of page number 18.
Revision of the main ideas of previous video. William Sidney Porter, 1862–1910, known by his pen name O. Henry, is the writer of this short story. The boy terrorized Bill. The boy did not want to go home, instead he was enjoying real fun of his life. Red Chief, the boy, could not make them sleep. The boy tried to scalp Bill but Sam saved him. Sam said the boy's parents would not pay ransom to get him back and called him a little imp. Sam went to the top of the little mountain expecting to see a search party for the boy, but no one seen. The boy first tried to smash Bill with a rock and then put a hot potato down his back and smashed it. Sam calmed the boy down, saying if he did not behave nicely, he would be taken to his home. Sam went to Poplar Cove, a little village, to find out the reaction of their kidnapping.
Page 18. I'll be back soon, says I. You must keep the boy amused till I return. Let's write the letter to Mr. Dorset, demanding the ransom and how it should be paid. Bill and I wrote it while Red Chief strutted up and down, guarding the cave. Bill begged me tearfully to make the ransom $1,500 instead of $2,000. So, to relieve Bill, I agreed. Ebenezer Dorset, Esquire. We have your boy. It is useless for anyone to attempt to find him. We will only return him if you meet these terms. We demand $1,500, the money to be left at midnight tonight at the same box as our reply, at the Lone Tree. Send your answer by messenger at 8:30 tonight. If you attempt any treachery, you will never see your boy again. If you pay the money, he will be returned to you safe and well. These terms are final, and if you do not accede to them, no further communication will be attempted. 2 desperate men. _ 1. Strutted up and down, to walk in a proud and confident manner. 2. Relieve, to make him relax. 3. Treachery, to betray or deceive. 4. Desperate, needing or wanting something very much, dangerous. I walked to Poplar Cove and sat around the post office store, chatting to customers. One guy says that he hears Summit is all upset on account of Elder Dorset's boy having been lost or stolen. That was all I wanted to know. I posted my letter surreptitiously and came away. When I got back to the cave, Bill and the boy were not to be found, so I waited. Half an hour later, Bill appeared out of the bushes. Behind him was the kid, stepping softly like a scout, with a broad grin on his face. Bill stopped, took off his hat, and wiped his face with a red handkerchief. The kid stopped about 8 feet behind him. Sam, says Bill, I'm sorry but the boy is gone. I have sent him home. I have been subjugated to such awful tortures. I reached my limit. What's the trouble, Bill? I ask. Meanings of difficult words. Surreptitiously, secretly, without anyone seeing or knowing. Grin, a wide smile. Subjugated, enslave, dominated, suffered. Awful, extremely bad, frightful. Tortures, torment, great physical or mental pain. Now listen the reading of the remaining page. I was rode like a horse, says Bill. Then I was given oats. Sand ain't edible. I tell you, Sam, a human can only stand so much. I takes him down the mountain. On the way he kicks and bites. But he's gone home. I showed him the way. I'm sorry we lose the ransom, but it was either that or me to the madhouse. "Bill," says I, "have a look behind you." Bill turns and sees the boy, and loses his complexion and sits down. For an hour I was afraid for his mind. And then I reminded him that we would get the ransom and be off with it by midnight if old Dorset paid up. So Bill braced himself. This was my scheme for collecting the ransom without being caught. The tree under which the answer, and later the money, was to be left was in a wide open area. If any police came, I would see them a mile off. At 8:30 I was well hidden in the tree, waiting. Meanings of the difficult words. Complexion, the color or appearance of the skin of a person's face. Braced, prepared, strengthened. Scheme, an organized plan. Dear students, hope you are enjoying the story. Now it is the time you start solving the worksheet. If you find any difficulty, watch the video again. Thanks.